Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix discard sound problem in iPhone. So guys, if you're using any Android phone or iPhone and having this type of problem related to sound, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to update your app, check for update. So guys, many of features are not working due to update. So guys, if you are using any older version, simply you have to update your app. How can you upgrade? Simply you have to search your Discord app here, and guys, after searching here you have to open your app, and guys, you need to check for update. As you can see here, my app is not updated. Simply you have to update your app first, and after doing update you need to go back, and guys, check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings, scroll it below, click on general, and guys, click on iPhone storage, and after this you have to click on here the option that is Discord app. You will find, click on this one, and guys, you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again and log in again your account, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.